How to add a stop motion effect to your CapCut videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to add different features and effects to your videos on CapCut? If that is so, CapCut provides different kinds of video effects and templates itself. You can use the features such as stop motion or velocity to get the feature on your video. First of all, tap open any of your preferred project. Now from the bottom, you'll have to select on effects and video effects. Now from here, you can see most of the trending effects and use the one that you want. If you cannot find your preferred video or the effect that you want, you can tap on the search bar which is on above and type in auto velocity or stop motion. Thereby, you will see different options such as slow zoom, divine, and much more. Those which are written as Pro can only be used by Pro user. However, except for that, you can use any of the effect of your choice. In order to get the effect reflected on your video, you will just have to tap on the effect. Once your effect has been loaded, it will be reflected on the video as well. Then you can just export the video and use it wherever you like. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.